Hey traders, Andrew Keen from AlphaShark.com. I'm going to show you another profitable trade, day trading Alibaba BABA. And this was a stock trade, and I'll show you guys the setup here. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, it's pretty easy. We talked about it yesterday. The first bar of the day is very, very important. So we see the first bar of the day right here. Boom, bear candle. What does that mean? Okay, that means that there's price action, price momentum is to the downside. Okay. So simple, easy trade setup. Shorting Alibaba on the close of the bar. So the close of the bar would have been about 80.80. I could have put my stop one of two places. I could have put my stop above the Ichimoku cloud if you're familiar with the Ichimoku cloud. If you're not familiar with the Ichimoku cloud, no problem. I could have put my stop right above that that candle. So let's talk about it here. Day trading a small dollar account. Okay. So the trade is shorting, and I did 1,000 shares of BABA at 80.81, okay, with a 81.90 stop, okay? So when you guys are trading, I always have stop losses in place. So my risk on this trade was $1,100. Hey traders, okay? So as we talked about, how do I figure out my targets? Okay, this is one of the hardest things. So the targets, and the way I personally trade, target number one will be 25% of stop. Okay, so let's go to target 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, target 1 will be 25% of stop. Target 2 will be 50% of the stop. Target 3 will be 75% of the stop, and target 4 will be 100% of the stop. And what does that exactly mean? It basically means if my stop is $1.10. So whenever I'm figuring out my targets, I always want to know my stop loss first. So my stop loss is $1.10. So I make my trades based off of that. So my stop loss of $1.10, I will have targets roughly about every 27 cents. Well, let's see what happened on this trade. Okay, BABA started selling off as I predicted. Took a profit target here, here, here. I actually had one more profit target about 10 cents under the low of the day. I did not get filled, and then BABA actually started to move to the upside, and then I took off the balance of my position at that 81.06 level. If we look at my P&L for the day, so I was risking 1,100, okay, and you see my P&L, $285, okay? These aren't these kind of trades that I'm trying to sling it, make 10,000 a day. These are small dollar accounts. Day trading, the 6 main stocks I day trade are Apple, BABA, GoPro, Facebook, Tesla, and Twitter. Set up really, really nice setups. I can be in the trade for that day. Find a good setup today. We had a great setup in BABA. Make a couple $100 and then be done with the trade. So a great setup here in Alibaba, BABA. And we'll shoot these videos on how to day trade stock using the Ichimoku cloud. And you don't even need the Ichimoku cloud. Just find these strong bear and bull bars, usually on the first candle of the day are good ones, and taking those trades. So $285 cash in my pocket, and I'll move on to the next trade. No margin overnight, no position. Day trading a small dollar account. Thanks, guys.